Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
Up, you checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support, and if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Hope you guys are enjoying the channel. Today I have an unboxing here for you guys. Got the bat knife on deck, fresh off cutting some sheetrock. We have the Happy Model Mobula 6 HDZero, guys. So the freak is trying to go digital now, so I ordered this guy off Amazon. I think it's coming from Get FPV on Amazon. Need the blue alien one more time. So got a Happy Model sticker in here. Not sure what quad that is on there. Some HDZero stickers and Divi Math stickers. We got a screwdriver in here. Looks like this is the data cable for the HDZero VTX. And I'm not sure what that is. Not sure what some of these things are. It looks like a SD card holder. We got some props in there. Looks like we have some spare props in there. Some screws and all. I guess to install that little piece there. Whatever that is. And here is the quad. Let's see, anything else in there? Nothing else in the box. We got an extra canopy thrown in. That's awesome, in case I feel like making another build. And so here it is, guys. This is the 65mm version. These props are, I believe, gym fans. And so this little thing is looking awesome right now. To me, it has the pH 2.0 connection on the back there. Let's see how much this thing weighs. Drop it on. So this little guy is 23.73 grams. You guys can expect some flight footage of this one coming up soon. I do realize that I have to have a pair of goggles to fly this little guy. And so we got another unboxing coming up for that. The Mobula 6 HDZero. Oh, and this thing has ELRS, in case you guys were wondering what protocol. And so I need a transmitter for that as well. Got another unboxing coming up soon. Thanks for watching.